In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter goals in TickTick. We'll walk through creating a dedicated place for your goals and then adding a goal with a clear schedule and priority so it actually gets done. Start by opening TickTick and heading to the Today view so you're in your main workspace. From there, look to the left sidebar and open your Lists panel. This is where all your projects and goal lists live. Click the plus icon to create something new. You'll be making a fresh list specifically for your goal, which keeps everything organized and easy to find. Give your list a clear, action-oriented name that reflects the outcome you want. Instead of something vague, pick wording that motivates you. Next, choose a list color. Color coding is a simple trick that makes your goals stand out in your sidebar and helps you scan faster. Then pick your preferred view type. If you like classic checklists, choose a standard list. If you work visually, a board view can help you see phases or categories at a glance. Place the list into a folder if you're grouping goals by area like work, personal, or learning. Choose the list type that best fits how you manage tasks within this goal. If you want these tasks visible in your smart lists, enable the option to show them there. When that's set, click Add to create your new goal list. Now open that list and click Add Task. Type in the goal task itself. Keep it short, specific, and starting with a verb so it's crystal clear. To schedule it, click the date control on the right. Choose the date and time that makes sense for your first focus session or milestone. Putting a time on it reduces procrastination and helps you plan your day realistically. If this goal needs consistent effort, click Repeat. Pick a cadence that matches your commitment, like daily, weekly, or a custom interval. A repeating schedule keeps momentum without you having to remember to recreate the task. Finally, open the priority dropdown and choose a level. High priority makes this goal surface more prominently in your views. Use priority to separate must-do goals from nice-to-have items, especially on busy days. That's it. You've created a dedicated goal list, customized its look and behavior, added your goal as a task, scheduled it with a date and time, set it to repeat if needed, and assigned a priority. Keep using this same flow for each new goal so everything lives in a clear structure. When you return to today, your goal will be right there, ready for action.